Hey guys, I'm sharing my first Clean With Me video, and these cabinets are about to get painted. So I'm going to share my journey with you. These cabinets are so like French country Tuscan era for me, and it's time to lighten up this kitchen. Join me and stick to the end of the video. It's a speed clean, I'm not talking that much, and I have a decorating question to ask you. I do start my dishwashing sessions with running water. I don't like to have the water in the bowl or the sink. I just like to run the water and do the majority of my dishes that way. And then towards the end, I will soap everything up and then rinse it all at one time. I know it's probably a little old-fashioned and a little quirky, and maybe some people might feel it's wasteful, but this is how I wash dishes. Always wash my pots last because that's always the dirtiest and the grimiest and the greasiest item. I just do it in that order. Do you do that as well? Let me know. For stubborn stains like grease spills or buildup, use some vinegar and baking soda and just apply it like a paste and let it sit on while you go on with the rest of your cleaning, and everything will come right up. After I wash the refrigerator with dish soap, like, soapy water, basically, I then come back, dry it off, and wipe it down with a white vinegar and water spray. Today, I'm using only soapy dishwater to wash my countertops down. These are the contact paper countertops. I would love to get some butcher block countertops, to be honest. But these are holding up so far, so good.
Get down, run into the clubs, trying to have fun. But I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know.
I'm going to plant these in a second. I really would love to see something bloom in my garden this year.
And you also feel what's going on.
After I washed everything, like all of my counters down, I went over it with this disinfecting multi-surface cleaner from Clorox. I love the scent on this. This is really awesome. I would totally buy this again. Not bad for $1. I got it from Dollar Tree. It has a light, pleasant scent. I do prefer scents that are a little bit stronger, but I will, use it up until it's gone. I'm not sure if I would buy it again, though.
I get jealous, I get down, run into the clubs, trying to have fun. But I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want 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 it.
Then I ordered this Gear diffuser, and this is for my hallway. And I ordered some lemongrass to go with it. And I know you guys have seen these, but I did mention that I was going to be changing over to diffusers this year. Even though I love my candles, y'all, I really do love candles. Like, I'm a candle girl. Like, every time I go to the store, I buy a candle. I really love candles, but I do recognize they are not the healthiest for our lungs. So I'm trying to switch. So I'm going to just have diffusers on every level, and I'm going to have the same scent on every level just to get everything cohesive. My family was having fun playing with them, changing the colors. It has a lot of colors, and you can do the mist, and they're just wonderful. I picked this brand because they actually had really great reviews, so that's important to me because these are not cheap. Even though this one is only $14, I have to get bigger ones for the larger rooms in the house, and they really, are a pretty penny. So yeah. But anyway, let me show y'all what I'm really excited about this weekend that came.
To the clubs, trying to have fun, but I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, see you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it.
So one day I was watching my favorite YouTuber, Monica Rose, and she showed this brand, and I almost fell out. I posted this in a shabby chic group that I'm in, and they all agreed this was like the shabbiest, chicest detergent they've ever seen. I love it. The scent is amazing. It is so potent. When I did the laundry, I could smell the fragrance wafting upstairs. I could totally like have this in an oil diffuser and I would be happy for the rest of my life. It's amazing. You know, there's lots of great things about this brand. You go check it out for yourself. And I purchased this so I could do like my dish mats and my wash rags and my cloths and my towels and my bath mats and my shower curtains. And then with my clothes, I'll just do like the regular gain or tie that we use. But yeah, I love this scent. I love this scent. It just smells great, y'all. I mean, the dryer was just smelling so beautiful. In the clothes, not the clothes, the dish towels and stuff that I washed yesterday, they just smell amazing. I can't say enough about it. But anyway, you know what, y'all? Maybe I will be talking a lot in my cleaning videos, clearly. So let me show you my new TV stand that I got. I really love it. It's very simple and cute. But my dilemma now is, do I want to change up my wall and what to put on top of the TV stand? So I want y'all to help me decide. Okay, y'all, it's the end of the video. I decided to leave the wall as it is. I have some lace on the cords until I find a cord cover, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to embellish the TV stand, even though I love it. And then I have to decide, do I keep these lamps here or get some other lamps that may be a little bit more in line with my vision here? So decisions to be made. I love my Ross pillows, y'all. Those were two for like $22. Can't beat that. And they're really bed shams, but who cares? And my floor. I took up the carpet and I thought I wanted white floors, so I thought like we would paint them and line them out and stuff. But I haven't really committed to that look. I might want to get the dark wood floors that I love now. So we'll see how that goes. And I love the space that I'm creating for myself. It's very romantic and soft and pretty and clean. I don't have too much clutter going on, and I love that. So yeah, stay tuned. I have a lot of work to do here in this house, and I'm loving my journey so far. Y'all have a great day.